Outdated technical documentation poses a significant challenge in today's software development landscape. With rapid code changes, updating API references, changelogs, and architecture plans manually consumes essential engineering time. Documentation often fails due to doc drift. While developers update functions and modify schemas, they often neglect to revise the documentation files accompanying those changes. Whether publishing to local Git repositories or updating tools like Atlassian Confluence, accurate documentation is critical. Modern teams are moving away from rigid formats like XML or DDA. They now favor Markdown. However, manually formatting Markdown tables and code blocks remains a tedious task. Today, we will explore how to generate production-ready Markdown documentation directly from your source code using AI. Welcome to Creative AI Lab. By implementing an automated extraction pipeline, your documentation can remain in sync with your codebase with each commit. The workflow is simple. Initially, a lightweight script reads your raw source file or schema definition. Then, it sends the code to an AI model with a clearly defined documentation prompt. The model extracts doc strings, parameter types, error handling, and usage examples, returning well-formatted Markdown. To achieve precise technical output, your prompt needs to serve as a strict information architect. Simply asking the AI to explain the code will yield conversational filler, leading to irrelevant paragraphs. Your instructions must clearly identify 4 critical elements: function descriptions, parameter tables with types, exception handling rules, and a working JSON example. Instruct the AI to produce only valid Markdown, avoiding any introductory or closing text. Your system prompt should be structured as follows. You are a skilled technical writer and information architect. Evaluate the provided source code and transform it into organized Markdown documentation. Utilize clear headings, format all parameters in Markdown tables, and include one usage example. Ensure valid Markdown output without any conversational content. Next, let's review the Python automation script responsible for this process. Begin by importing the OpenAI library along with the standard OS module for managing file paths. Then, define a function that reads the target source file, loads the raw code into memory, and prepares the API payload. We pass the previously crafted system prompt alongside the raw code into the GPT-4o model. After the model processes the logic and returns a response, our script saves the generated content directly into your docs directory as a clean, MD file. To optimize this workflow, avoid running it manually on your local machine. Integrate this Python script as a pre-commit hook or as an automated step in your continuous integration pipeline. Each time a developer merges a pull request affecting core backend modules, the pipeline activates, and the documentation updates seamlessly in the background. This process effectively eliminates doc drift. However, always treat AI-generated Markdown as a highly accurate initial draft. A quick review by a lead developer before merging ensures correctness in your architectural context, as the AI performs 99% of the workload. Automated documentation allows your engineering teams to stay aligned, preventing hours of wasted manual formatting effort. Yet, text formatting is only one aspect of the challenge. In part 3 of this series, we will demonstrate how to use these lightweight AI models to convert massive, unreadable server logs into clean, structured JSON schemas. Click the video on your screen to view part 3 now. Be sure to subscribe to Creative AI Lab to master automated technical workflows.